Hey guys, we're back again with another video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how you will be able to create a new user account without a password. Okay, so let's go directly into the process. The first thing we need to do is make a right click on our Windows icon and go click on Computer Management. Now here in this tab under System Tools, you need to find Local Users and Groups. Now if you don't find that icon or option, then just go directly to the second option, which will be discussed later on. So if you have local users and groups, just follow the steps that I will tell you. Okay, so just click on that local users and groups and then click on the user folders and then click on more actions, and now you can create a new user. Okay, so for cases that you don't have local users and groups, just follow this second option. The thing that we need to do is just click on our Windows key and R key. So this run window will come up on our screen, and here we need to type NETPLWIZ. It's NETPLWIZ, and then we need to click on OK. And here the user accounts window will come up on our screen. All we need to do is just click on Add button, and we will be asked how will this person sign in. So just click on sign in without a Microsoft account. And for us to add a user, we need to choose whether it's a Microsoft account or a local account. So we need to click on local account, and here we just need to give the user a username. For example, it's videos 5 or video 5, and I will not be entering a password. I'll just click on next already, and I can already click on finish. So the new user account was already added to this laptop or PC, and that's how you're going to do it. It's very easy. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!